up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we do reaction videos.
Just a quick note, we support the PolyMovement. We support PolyArtists, PolyBusinesses, Polynesians. For all the new subscribers who are requesting songs and stuff like that, we do not react to people other than Polynesians. Polynesians, Melanesians, Micronesians. Reason being is I'm a firm believer in supporting our people. Not being racist, that's just the way it is. I just want to see our poly people get up there. Let them be recognised and known, because it just makes me feel proud, and people of my generation. I don't really care if you think I'm racist. Or
yeah, it's not really anything to do with being racist, because like there's a millions of people out there probably doing reactions and stuff like that, but we want to be those people that step outside of it and just react to our own people, because we're the only people that can uplift our own people,
and understand our
and understand our own people,
and we just relate, just us helping our poly family get out there. And hopefully to get recognised and make it big in this world.
So today we're going to be reacting to Poly Queens by Ezra James feat Lord Lance, Lisi Amu ThaMC.
Lord Lance? Didn't I say we're not going to react with anything with Lord Lance in it?
Wait. No, we said we weren't going to react to Mr. Fiaipas. Lord Lance is different.
Just a few of our favourites.
Definitely some of our favourites.
My favourite would be up there amongst others is Amu ThaMC.
We're OG right there. But yeah fam, keen to check this out. It dropped 2 days ago. Dropped 2 days ago, finally getting to react to it, and it dropped on Mother's Day basically. So yeah, pretty gutted we didn't get to react to it on time, but it's better late than never.
Yeah.
PolyMovement fams. Yeah, Mum, can you pass me a drink please?
It's only one bottle, share my one.
No, I said my one.
Drink my one.
No, it's okay. No, it's here for you, because,
Oh, well. Go see my little thank you.
What do you mean? Because
coronavirus. I carried you for 10 months.
That was like 20 years ago, Mum.
And now you don't disrespect me like that.
I'm fine, dude.
Wow.
I'm not tired, I'm not thirsty.
Go see my little. Okay.
Oh.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Rough pops.
Sorry for all the drama I've caused up in these streets. At times I'm doing bad, but you always backing me. Sure, no matter what, I will always be a baby. All that brain I thought is blessings. True, yeah, we're eating good.
So Lee, we just started our no carbs, eh? This is not carbs, but this made me hungry, man.
Oh yeah, when it comes to the sister, ain't no messing. When it comes to the queen, no second guessing. So all my potty queens on the grind, put it in time. You a real one, you a real one.
Crazy.
And for you, I always got time. You stay on my mind, 'cause it's real love, real love.
Growing up, it was rugby league and Royal Rumble. I was a quiet kid, but I always got in trouble. My dad would try to fight me to give me a hiding, but my poly queen mama always try her best to hide me. I get caught easy and that was karma. For getting a hiding, I could hear my mom say I was on my fighting karma.
This guy always goes off B-days.
Oh man, I love that. What parents say to you when you're younger, and it all comes flowing back to you when you have kids, man.
You my protector through the hard times, and I could never pay you back even with overtime.
Like a sickie.
I compare you to my eyes. I always keep you safe, beat up all those creepy guys. You showed me how to love, even how to moisturize, and that's the reason I look young as fuck forever 25.
No.
The head is the family, no lie. The woman is the neck that holds their head up high, and I'm sure of no stress they could strangle us to death. That's why you never ever miss with our poly queen stay blessed.
It's because the anger that they hold comes out of nowhere, man. It's just that whole bulk anger. You don't want to
Probably
get
one of the
hiding.
most patient, some of the most patient people in this world, eh? Like,
Gotta put up with the kids. Yeah, we say yesel to our parents, especially the mothers.
You always got time, you stay in my mind, it's real love, real love.
Remember growing up, I wasn't a perfect son, but man, I swear that the Lord above blessed me with a perfect mom. So I'm grateful that I'm strong and living. Mom was always willing to make sure that she had all her children in perfect condition. Yeah, you gotta know that motherhood's a full-time job, and with us 4 kids, mom had took no time off. Yeah, you know that she's my queen, put before these other chicks. Everything my mother knows, like she's above my upper lip. Lord knows I fear no man, I'll be down for whatever. But to stand against my mother, nah, also never.
Nah,
You know
not
that love for my sisters be strong.
is it?
No, like you say something about my mum, that's it.
Yeah.
It's like me, like, man, you got boundaries. Got boundaries, man.
Sure.
Even though half of the time they be pissing me off, but I love them and I got them, and there's no way that I'm stopping them. That brother that they call on whenever they have a problem. If this life was a chessboard, then you'd be getting clean, cause ain't no way you can beat me if I got a poly queen. Tell them what's
You are my poly queens on the grind, putting in time, you a real one, you a real one. And for you I always got time, you stay
Listen to Lisi's voice.
it's real love.
That's Amu. Yep.
And I know she love me, that's real. I never met nobody like her, and probably will never will. She told me how to pray to the state, Lord is blessing us still. Single mother raising 3 kids in a place never filled. Facts, let me take you for a ride. The memory lane to all of the times. So people gave up on us and told my mama you never shine. For all of the people that doubted my mama olden times. Ironic how people skated out on us, but it's mama who kept the grind. She starved nights, so I did, and that's little brother Knox. If her friends came, never complain, cause she knew she feeding the block. Some days I fell in love in hip hop like reality shows, but
I just, shit, sorry. This guy, what I love about him is always acknowledges his mum. Always. And because we've seen some of his videos where about his mum, man. As soon as I saw that Amu ThaMC, I'm like, oh, gotta get ready for this. I mean, big ups to all the boys, but with Amu ThaMC, because we've seen him and his brother Knox, 78, because we've seen these stories and how they put their mum up there on a pedestal, it's just...
His verse is hitting me a lot more than, you know.
I love my mama so much and I know she love me, that's real. I never met nobody like her and probably will never will. She told me how to pray to the state, Lord is blessing us still. Single mother raising 3 kids in a place never filled. Facts, let me take you for a ride. The memory lane to all of the times. So people gave up on us and told my mama you never shine. For all of the people that doubted my mama olden times. Ironic how people skated out on us, but it's mama who kept the grind. She starved nights, so I did, and that's little brother Knox. If her friends came, never complain, cause she knew she feeding the block. Some days I fell in love in hip hop like reality shows, but my mama is my love in hip hop. My reality shows, my mama a queen, never needed a ring, cause she a lover. She raised me the best man. It's easy when you made her honest. It's an honor to be a son, it's an honor to be a blessing. I know you put God first, it's an honor to be a second. I'm showing my mama love her, we're dreading about the end, but at the end of the road, she made her boys from men. I'm 25, and I know my mama got me for life. You mess with that, then I'm taking 25 to life. And
Yeah, big ups to all the boys' mums. You guys are doing really well in the music scene, really well. Really love how you can tell. I don't know. Don't come at me, but this is just from my point of view. You can tell a kid that's been growing up in Hawaii, being taught well by their mums and dads. You can tell kids who, the way they walk, the way, just the respect they carry on their shoulders. You know that their mum and dad's been teaching them and hounding them since young. That's what I love about Amu ThaMC, the way he raps.
that's a fact.
Yeah, I love it. Oh.
Damn, I wish we played this on speaker.
My favourite bro.
You would have to be with
It's
the
just
MC
because
stuff,
I have that connection
yeah.
with his lyrics from the other songs.
And I'm trying to remember if it was like an Instagram IGTV story or something where I think they're telling that maybe it was Coconut. I think it was Coconut where they're the boys were telling their story of how their mum raised them in 3 different countries or something, all by herself, and I was like, man, that's.
I mean, I raised one. Oh gosh, it's like I've got
I already know a
5.
handful. I don't know how. Like, big ups to all the mums out there, especially with the MC and Knox's mum. Like,
like a lot of people go, why don't you have more kids? And I always say, oh, because I couldn't afford it. Sure, I'll just go bang.
Yeah, and just have 10 kids easy.
Yeah. Whanga polasi.
Oh wow.
Oh, big ups to the boys in Brisbane. Love it. Love all their bits on the song. Lord Lance and his brother Ezra James.
Yeah.
Oh, and the sisters in
yeah. They're so pretty as well. They're
Yeah.
gorgeous, man.
Unique.
Yeah.
Lisi and his mum.
I couldn't. His mum looks very young.
Yeah.
Very young. Yeah, a lot of people say my mum was like really young. They think she's my sister, and I'm like,
Oh, stop it. Carry on.
do you want to fight me? No. Yeah, of course, my mum.
Are you trying to say I had her at 13 or something?
Yeah, well, she had me at 10.
Yeah.
Get it right. Okay. I was quite speechless. Like, I didn't really know what to say and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah. I know it's late, but I hope and pray that all the mothers out there have had a blessed Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Yeah. Thank you to all those that wishes that we got through on Sunday. Thank you so much. Truly, truly appreciate it. Much love to you and your mums and dads. And even if your mums have passed on, much love.
Single mums and all that.
It's not easy being a mother.
For sure.
You won't know until you find out, man.
You guys are scaring me. Everything they talk about is just definitely true. Like,
relatable.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Island Mum, and how Lisi said, but you talk, like talking trash about my mum. Trust me. There's too much whakagala out there. I'm one of those. My ears prick when I hear something bad about anyone in my family. I just turn all devil. I'm just like, yeah.
For sure.
If you haven't stepped in my shoes, shut the fuck up. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still speechless. I don't know what to say. It's just, definitely a relatable song. I got my own Poly Queen here. Yeah, I don't know what I'll do without her, Like,
I try to teach her, Like, she needs to be independent.
I know.
But I'll tell you, this girl will go to the city, half an hour in, and she'll be texting, Mummy, you okay? Oh, Mummy, are you alright? Mummy.
I'm sorry.
You know, Rika.
Yeah, I just don't like stressing my mum out, Like, that...
I worry, but then at the same time I'm thinking, you're old now, you need to be more independent, and how about if I die tomorrow? What's going to happen?
I know,
but it's reality. How about if I die tomorrow? What's going to happen? I know. Yeah, you can't sit there in morning crying and wait for me to come change your nappy.
Oh, that's what I mean. Fucking change my nappy. Yeah, it's quite a sensitive topic with me. Like, I don't really like talking about whatever happened to my mum.
But it's what God giveth, God can take it away anytime. Remember that when you guys playing up with your parents, it's too late to cry and regret when they're gone.
We could have done something.
Yeah. Take it from me, honestly. Take it from me. PolyMovement, please, fams, check out the brothers. They all have their own individual channels. Please check them out. Support our Poly brothers and help them get recognised even more. Please, just need to subscribe, share the love, post it and share it on your Instagrams or what do you call it? Snap photo.
Snap photo. Isn't that Snapjoy?
Wow.
I end this video and go full of my muckers or something because I look crazy. Or from 0 to 100 real quick. But yeah, fams, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction shot. Sorry I didn't have much of an input in it, but Mama B's more better at putting, wording things than I am. But much love to all the Poly Queens out there. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye, fam.